welcome to the Sound Detective lesson of the week. We are going to learn a new sound. R, R, R. Now, we have heard about the bossy R before, haven't we? Well, if bossy R comes after the letter A, it makes the A sound completely different. Now, these two letters together make the R sound. Can you join in with me? R, R, R. And maybe you can see Mrs. kind of decked out like a pirate. Maybe you've heard of pirates before. And even though we don't agree with what they do, stealing money from other ships and boats and people, we can use them because we know that sometimes they like to say "arr, arr" when they see their friends or when they see their treasure somewhere. The A and the R together make the sound "arr." Now I have a question, ahoy mateys. What kind of word would you get if I put the letter F in front of R? R. Far. I live very far away from many of you. Okay, let's try another one. What if I put the K sound in front of R? K, R. I would get the word car. Everyone has been in a car before. Okay, what about if I put two letters in front like st, st, R, star. On a beautiful clear night, you can see many of them in the sky. Now, sometimes R can also be at the beginning of the word, like R, and then I put a at the end. What would it say? Arm, arm. This pirate over here has a broken arm, or actually a broken elbow, but it's making her arm very sore. Arm. What about if I put the letter K sound at the end? Ark, ark. Noah was on the ark with his wife and his 3 sons. Ark. Okay, and what about if I have the word ark and I put the P in front? Then I would say P, ark, park. Many parks are closed right now, but they are super fun, aren't they? So the R sound can be at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of a word. R, R, R. Great job. Okay, for the R sound, I am going to read you guys a little story about Riff Raff, the Mouse Pirates. Put up your hands if you have heard this book before. Riff Raff, the Mouse Pirates. Are you ready for this book? I wonder what's going to happen. Okay. Down, down. In the rain drain, Captain Riff Raff called to his crew, all hands on deck. The Sea Cat sails at noon. The Mice Pirates all lined up on deck. Cheddar, Munster, Swiss, and Colby. But where were Blue and Bree? Uh-oh. Blue and Bree came running. We found a map, Blue said. Stuck in the grate, Bree said. It's a treasure map. Captain Riff Raff spread out the map. See, said Blue. The treasure is right here. Oh dear, said Blue. Who's been nibbling on this map? Blue held out her paw. Spit it out, she said to Bree. Uh-oh. Bree spit some soggy paper into Blue's paw. It had ketchup on it, Bree explained. Yum! Blue patched up the map, but there was still a missing piece. Which street would lead the pirates to the treasure? I wonder which one. Cast off, said Captain Riff-Raff. Hoist the sea cat flag. We're bound for buried treasure. But Captain, said Blue, which street are we looking for? A street that starts with the letters P-L-U, said the bold pirate captain. And the first to spot it wins a piece of cheese. Everyone likes cheese. Out of my way, Munster. I was here first, Cheddar. Munster drew his sword. Take that! You take that! Pearl Street, ahoy! Called Colby. That's not our street, said Blue. Pearl starts with the letters P-E-A, not P-L-U. So they swept along down the dark, damp tunnels. I see it, Swiss pointed. Plant Street. The cheese is mine. Not so fast, said Blue. That's the letters P-L-A, not P-L-U. Plum Street, ahoy, called Bree from the bridge. I think you're right, the captain said. It's P-L-U-M, plum by gum. Yo-ho! Yo-ho-ho, a-sailing we will go. And when we're done, we'll have some fun. Yo-ho, yo-ho, yo-ho! There she blows, called Colby. A whale? Asked Munster. Not a whale, a treasure chest. Treasure chest, don't blow. Well, there she lies then. Colby hauled up the treasure chest. It was set with colored gems. Oh, we found it in a ditch, 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 the crew sang. Now we will all be rich, rich, rich. Oh, sorry, guys. Captain Riff-Raff turned the key. The mice crowded around. He lifted the lid. They all looked in. The chest was empty. It made a whirring sound. The mice jumped back. The chest began to sing. Oh, we found a magic music box. Here's how we make it sing. We turn the key and lift the lid, and it goes ting-a-ling. Would you be disappointed if you found it had no money in the treasure chest? I would be a little bit. All right, let's go over. The AR together makes the R sound, and I wonder if you still remember what this makes. Great job. The sound. What about this one? Another way to make the sound. What about this one? Why are you guys laughing? Oh, it's upside down. There we go. Another way to make the sound. And what about the last 2 weeks? What is this sound? Fantastic, the E sound. And another way to make the E sound. Great job, boys and girls. You guys are doing so well. All right, one more thing to add before you guys can start your booklet about the R sound is I want to introduce to you the rule breaker for this week. O-N-L-Y spells only. O-N-L-Y spells only. Put up your hand if you know this word already. What? All of you? That's crazy. Well, let me put it in a sentence for you. I only have one arm that works really well now. Not this one. Anyway, all the best today. Good job on your R sounds, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.